Listen, repeat, speak with me. Are you ready? Listen. I go to work by bus every day. Repeat. I go to work by bus every day. You speak now. I go to work by bus every day. Listen. The bus stop is near my house. Repeat. The bus stop is near my house. You speak now. The bus stop is near my house. Listen. I wait for the bus in the morning. Repeat. I wait for the bus in the morning. You speak now. I wait for the bus in the morning. Listen. The bus arrives at 8 o'clock. Repeat. The bus arrives at 8 o'clock. You speak now. The bus arrives at 8 o'clock. Listen. I buy a ticket before I get on. Repeat. I buy a ticket before I get on. You speak now. I buy a ticket before I get on. Listen. The bus is sometimes crowded. Repeat. The bus is sometimes crowded. You speak now. The bus is sometimes crowded. Listen. I sit by the window and listen to music. Repeat. I sit by the window and listen to music. You speak now. I sit by the window and listen to music. Listen. My friend goes to school by train. Repeat. My friend goes to school by train. You speak now. My friend goes to school by train. Listen. The train is fast and comfortable. Repeat. The train is fast and comfortable. You speak now. The train is fast and comfortable. Listen. We use public transportation every week. Repeat. We use public transportation every week. You speak now. We use public transportation every week. Listen. I take a taxi when I am late. Repeat. I take a taxi when I am late. You speak now. I take a taxi when I am late. Listen. Transportation helps people travel easily. Repeat. Transportation helps people travel easily. You speak now. Transportation helps people travel easily. Watch the other episodes of this series here.